Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In this video, I'm going to show you something really useful, how to create a Microsoft account using your existing Gmail, or basically any email address you already have. So yes, you don't need to create a new Outlook email if you don't want to. You can just use what you already have and get access to all Microsoft services. All right, let's take it step by step. First, go ahead and open your internet browser, any browser at all. Then in the address bar, type this website, signup.live.com, and press enter. Now, once the page loads, you'll see a sign-up form waiting for you. Right here, enter the email address you want to use. This can be your Gmail, Yahoo, or any valid email address. After entering it, click on Next. Now, because you're using an existing email, Microsoft needs to confirm that the email actually belongs to you. So what happens next? A verification code will be sent directly to that email address. Go ahead, open your email inbox, check for the code, and enter it here. Once you enter the correct code, you'll be automatically moved to the next step. Now, this part is where you personalize your account. Select your country, choose your birth month, pick your birthday, and then enter your birth year. Take your time here, and once you're done, click on Next. All right, moving on. Now, you'll be asked to enter your first name and your last name. Go ahead and type them in, then click Next. At this point, Microsoft just wants to make sure you're not a robot. So you might see a quick verification step, like pressing and holding a button or solving a simple puzzle. Just complete it, and you're good to go. Now, you might see an option to save your passkey. If this is your personal computer, you can go ahead and click Continue. But if you're using someone else's PC, it's safer to click Cancel. Next, you may see a pop-up asking to use your device to sign in. I'll click OK, and then I'll enter my Windows PIN, click OK. And just like that, your Microsoft account has been successfully created. Simple, clean, and done. Now you can start using services like Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Office, and a whole lot more. Go ahead and click OK to finish up. And that's it for this video. Nice and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.